Hello aspirants, today I am going to discuss with you some questions uh, current affair based. So this question is very important for you if you aspiring for UPSC. So first question is, consider the following statements regarding the GST councils. You all know GST councils. So first statements, it is a constitutional body created under Article 279A by the 101st Constitutional Amendments Act 2016, and Statement 2. The recommendations of the GST councils are binding on both the Union and the states, as it is the supreme decision-making authority on GST matters. Statement 3. The Union Finance Ministers is the chairpersons of the GST councils, and all states' finance ministers are its members. Which of the above statements is the correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 1 and 3 only, option C 2 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. So what is the answer? Answer is very easy. Answer is B. That means 1 and 3 option is right. The Union Finance Ministers is the chairperson of GST councils, and all states finance ministers are its members, and first statements it is constitutional body. So you understand? And question number 2. Naegleria fowleri recently in news is option A brain-eating amoeba causing primary ambiotics meningitis PAM call primary amoeba meningoencephalitis, and option B a fungal pathogens causing a white rust in crops, and option C a virus responsible for Japanese encephalitis, and option D a bacterium causing leptospirosis. Answer is very easy. Answer is option A. That is Naegleria fowleri is cause for PAM, primary amoebis meanings to encephalitis. Question number 3. Consider the following statements regarding Henry Diageo and the Young Bengal movements. These questions come from history, and first statements, the Diogeans advocated for freedoms of thoughts, women's education, and social equality, often drawing inspirations from Enlightenment's ideas of liberty and rationalisms. And statements 2, despite their radicalisms, the Young Bengals group succeeded in mobilizing large-scale social reform movements during Dirogeo's lifetimes. Which of the above statement is the correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. Answer is very easy. Answer is option A 1 only. That means this statement is correct. Question number 4. Consider the following statements. First statement, salt water crocodiles. Crocodylus porosas is categorized as critically endangered under the IUCN's Red List. And statement 2, Sundarban Biosphere Reserves is the only mangroves habitats in the world where both the Royal Bengal tiger and saltwater crocodiles coexist as apex predators. Statement 3, the saltwater crocodile is listed in Schedule 2 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, giving it lesser protections than the tiger. Which of the above statement is correct? Option A 1 only 1, sorry, option B only 2, option C only 3, option none. This is very tricky questions. Our answer is option B only 2 is correct. That means first statement and second statement is correct, but third statement is not correct. We gave Wildlife Protection Act according to 1972. Tiger and crocodiles both have same rights and same protections power. Question number 5. Consider the following statements. First statements, the CEC and the elections commissioners are appointed by the presidents of India upon the recommendations from a 3-member selections committee comprising the Prime Ministers, the leader of the oppositions, and the Chief Justice of India. Statement 2. The appointments are made for a tenure of 6 years or until the age of 62 years, whichever comes first. And statement 3, Article 324(5) of the Constitution states that the CEC can be removed from office only in like manner and on like the grounds as a judge of the Supreme Court. How many of the above statement is correct? Option A only one, option B only two, option C all three, option D none. Answer is very easy. Answer is option A. Statement 3 is correct. That means Article 324 5A Constitution says the CEC and Supreme Court's judge, their removal process is same. Ground also same. Question number 6. Consider the following countries. First, Tunisia. Second, Libya. Third, Niger. Fourth, Mauritania. And 5, Morocco. How many of above countries shares land borders with Algeria? So you have to know where is Algeria located and where its options countries are located. If you know everything, then you can easily answer. Option A only 2, option only 3, option C only 4, option D all of the above. Answer is very easy. Answer is option D. That means all above the options are this country are located nearby Algeria. Question number 7. Consider the following statements regarding the Atlantic meridional overturnings circulations AMOC. Statements 1. The AMOC is a system of ocean currents in the Atlantic Oceans, primarily driven by surface winds that push warm tropical waters northwards. Statement 2. The circulations is driven by variations in temperatures and salinity. Warm tropical waters flow northwards, cool and gain density in the North Atlantic, sink to deeper layers, and then move southwards before rising again to complete the cycles. Which one of the following is the correct? Option A. Both statements 1 and statement 2 are correct. And statement 2 is the correct extensions of statements 1. And option B. Both statements 1 and statement 2 are correct. But statements 2 is not the correct explanations of statements 1. Option C, statements 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Option D, statements 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. Answer is option D. That means statement 1 is correct, but this statement is correct, but this statement is not correct. So, to understand, and question number 8. Match the following mountains recently in news with their respective countries. Column 1 mountains and column 2 country. Mount Elbrus, Italy. Mount Kilimanjaro, Tanzania. Mount Denali, United States. And Mount Etna, Russia. Answer is option A. That means A for 4. Mount Elbrus, Russia. And B2, that Mount Kilimanjaro, Tanzania. And C3, Mount Denali, United States. And Mount Etna, Italy. So understands the questions. And there was question number 9. Consider the following statements regarding minimum public shareholdings MPS. Statements 1. The MPS rule is a regulatory requirements laid down by the Securities and Exchange Boards of India (SEBI). Statement 2. It is applicable to all listed companies in India. Statement 3. All listed companies must ensure that at least 20% of their total issued and paid up equity shares capital is held by public shareholders. Which of the statement is are correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3, option D 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option D. That means all statements are absolutely correct. Now we come in question number 10. Consider the following statements regarding the nominated members to assemblies of the Union Territory. Option A. The Governments of Union Territories Act 1963 provides the Union governments may nominate up to 3 members to the Puducherry Assembly. Statement 2. There are no nominated MLAs in the Delhi Assembly. Statement 3. The Jammu Kashmir Reorganizations Act 2019 provides that the NG may nominate a total of up to 5 members to its assembly. How many of the above statement is correct? Option A only one, option B only two, option C all three, option D none. Answer is option C all three. That means all the three statements regarding this issue are absolutely correct. So today our session is over here. If you like our channel, I requesting you please subscribe. Please subscribe these channels and share this video to your friends. Thank you very much.